Hi everyone! Sometimes, nature creates moments that leave you breathless in awe. No need to imagine. These magics are happening all around us right now. Come along with Wow Earth and dive into a journey of discovering This is a species of ribbonworm belonging to the genus Gorgonerhynchus. What you're seeing is the sticky, intricately branched proboscis that this species uses to hunt. Ribbonfish made a huge splash on Chinese social media, and many have speculated that this fish is from another planet. An eerie, bubbling mud pit appeared on the streets of Nanjing, China, sparking a major debate over its origin. After an investigation, the police concluded that the cause was simply foam from a leaking underground structure, bubbling up through an While most creatures stay hidden under the sand, some emerge in a jaw-dropping way. Though few creatures can survive in the surf zone, these tiny clams bury themselves in the wet sand to endure, then emerge together to feed, creating an eerily fascinating scene. An unforgettable moment as the Antonov Airlines AN-225 Amrira touches down, dividing the sky in two. Antonov later reported that the fog caused some minor damage to the aircraft's landing gear. Thankfully, the problem was fixed, and the aircraft took off once more. A physical discovery of a bubble ring. In fact, it's just a swirling vortex with a core made of air bubbles. The water rotates around the center of the ring, maintaining its stability. As the rotation speed increases, the bubble ring becomes even long been so familiar to us. But have you ever witnessed the harvest of natural honey from steep and rugged cliffs? These hives typically belong to wild bee species, such as the Himalayan honeybee. This largest bee species in the world honey is not only special for its unique flavor, but also renowned for its exceptional nutritional value. An extraordinary coordination of birds. At first glance, many would be stunned, thinking it's a ghost gliding across the sea. A stunning time-lapse of the Moon, Venus, and the Pleiades cluster rising before dawn over a mountain range in Hawaii.